Hey, period 5. Happy New Year. I'm in quarantine and I don't think I'm going to see you the first week of school. So here's where you're going to go. Go to Schoology. Duh. That's where you're seeing this probably. On our materials page, here are our plans. Tuesday, you're going to take the STAR test. Wednesday, you're going to finish the STAR test if you need to finish it. But you also need to go to the 4-1 folder and get through the first 2 ed puzzles. Thursday, you're going to finish the 4-1 folder. That should be a textbook work and IXL L1 in Algebra 2. Notice the SMART score on the assignment. Then Friday through the weekend, you're going to get through 4-2. You're doing the basics of Chapter 4, Section 1 and 2 without me. You're going to identify if it's a polynomial, and you're going to use your calculator to plug something in. You can do that without me, children. Just turn the brain on. In 4-2, you're going to add and subtract without me. You've done it before. You're going to do it without me. You can do it. Turn your brain on. When I get back, I'll go over any questions you have. Then in 4-1, we'll go over graphing. And in 4-2, we'll go over multiplying. New topics you're not doing without me, as long as I'm back by or on Tuesday the 18th, which I hope to be. Okay? So you have to be super organized. It's your job. This is your education. Make sure you look at this Renaissance test. Look at my rules. Calculator, the only calculator you can use is from the test. Scratch paper needs to go in the recycling when you're done, and you're doing your own work. This is not worth a grade. Do not go around and ask someone a question. If you don't know how to do it, own up to the fact that you don't know how to do it, and enter whatever answer you think you should enter. And if you do know how to do it, make sure you're doing your own work and not somebody else's work. Watch this PDF, read this PDF on how to access the test. All right, it's the second time we're doing it this year. We have a third time in May, maybe June, okay? So it looks familiar. It should be the same type of test. Make sure you do that. We're doing something different for Chapter 4, at least for 4-1. You need to go here, not on the right side where the upcoming assignments are. You probably won't see it. Oh my God, Mr. Mitchell, I don't see any assignments. I'm telling you right now, you shouldn't see them. Go to the folder. You need to read this page. This is IXL stuff you can do if you need help. If you need help, it's your job to go get it. I'm telling you right here, here's a resource. You're going to watch this ed puzzle. It says score at least a 0, but don't get a 0 out of 100 and start the semester off with a 0. You need to watch this ed puzzle. Of course, you're taking notes, and of course, you're trying your best. Maybe even better than your best. Okay? You're going to do this page and these numbers and submit it on Big Ideas. And you're also going to do this IXL assignment, all right? And I'll enter the grades later. You have to do this in order. If something doesn't load for you, you didn't go in order, okay? It's a technical issue. That's your problem, your fault. Make sure you you go back and you look at the materials page. If something's not working, if you need help with something, ask 3 people. Chances are I can't get to you until I get back. So do you want to wait a week? Because then you're going to be behind a week of material. All right. So make sure you're doing this stuff in order. Make sure you're following directions. Ask your classmates for help. And if you still need help on something, put a star next to it in red, just like we do when we're going over quizzes and tests. Put a star next to it, ask me on Tuesday. But chances are I can't get to it until Tuesday. If it's urgent, you better look for a solution before Tuesday, okay? So after the Chapter 4, Section 1 that you're doing in order, Chapter 4, Section 2 pops up. You have this IXL, these pages to do. Again, it's addition and subtraction. So you're going to work out any mistakes on your own with each other before you get to me. And of course, put a star next to something in your notes that you need to ask me, ideally on Tuesday the 18th. Good luck. Stay healthy. I hope to see you in a week.